Hello guys, today we are going to create this beautiful gradient button in Android Jetpack Compose. So when I click on it, it shows a toast. It has a beautiful gradient border with rounded corner and also gradient text. So let's create this. First I created a empty compose project. Let's remove the default greeting method. It is showing error here because we have to apply the inner padding to the layout. So inside the scaffold, create a column, column modifier should be modifier dot add padding with inner padding here. I want it to occupy the whole screen so that the button will be exactly at the center of the screen. So fill max size. Next I want to apply background color as white. So next here we can create a composable. So gradient border button, and we can call them composable from here. So first let's create a box, and inside the box let's create a text. So text is click me. Ideally this should be coming from string resources, but for this video I'm just hard coding it. So next let's add border to this box. So border has 3 overloads. Select the one with the brush parameter. So first parameter is width, let's say 4 dp. Second one is brush. Brush is the API we use to create gradient backgrounds. So let's create a horizontal background for this button. Brush dot horizontal gradient. It takes colors parameter, so we can pass list of colors here. So for this button I created 2 parameters in the colors.kt. so these 2 are the colors I added. So let's gradient button gradient color 1, button gradient color 2. So button gradient color 1, button gradient color 2, and third parameter is shape. So rounded corner shape size equals to maybe 20. And next after that let's add inner padding. So padding horizontal 32.dp, vertical let's say 16.dp. So this padding is the space between this text and this border. So let's see how it looks. So currently it is at the top right, not at the center. So for that what we can do is we can, to the column layout, we can add vertical arrangement dot center. So vertically the contents are going to be at the center. Next horizontal alignment, and horizontally the contents are going to be at the center. So this should fix the problem. Second thing is the text. So for that we can use style parameter. So text style. So it takes brush. So there is another overload, it takes brush. So we can add the same horizontal gradient here. So we are brush dot horizontal gradient colors So we are using same colors here, so why don't we create a parameter colors list of color. So we can assign it here, and we can pass the colors list here and also here. And let's add the font weight. Let's make it bold. Next, font size, let's set like 18 dp. Sorry, 18 sp. Let's see how it looks. It looks beautiful right now. So let's add a click event. So for that, after border, add a clickable. Mostly you want this click event to the parent. So here you want to collect the event. So what we can do is add a parameter on click. It takes nothing and returns nothing. So call on click here, and we can get notified here. So let's show a toast dot make text. So toast need context. So in Jetpack Compose, we can get the context from local context dot current. So in the toast context dot application context, click me. Let's use a short duration, and let's show the toast. So I am clicking on it and it says click me, which is the text of the toast. So it's working fine. But if you implement it, you could get some kind of weird overlay here, which is the ripple. So whenever you click on it, it shows a ripple with a weird shape. So I don't know why I'm not seeing it here. Let's add the solution to that. So before clickable, what you can do is add clip method, and the shape should be same. So this shape, or we can also create another shape parameter. We can pass the shape here, and we can also pass it here. So let's run it. Yeah, it's working fine. So thank you for watching my video. If you have any doubts or if you are stuck at some point, comment below. And if you want to make any videos on any topic, comment below. I will make a video on that topic. Thank you so much.